Hello! Today I want to show you a one-eyed tropical butterfly design featuring Diamond FX Raving Rio. Loading our sponge, we're going to place the pink in the corner of our eye and just place it over the eye in a butterfly shape. And we'll place a little bit underneath the eye. Then using Neon Nirvana from Leanne's Tropical Palette and my 1/2 inch angle, I'm going to load that with the purple at the top, swoop down, wiggle a little bit, and shape a petal. Using Neon Nirvana again, this time I'm going to load my brush where the yellow is at the top. And we're going to place 3 petals for my tropical flower. And with the pink side, I'm just going to fill in that center, and then I'm going to go back over my yellow to brighten that up. Next, I'm going to use my UV bright orange glitter and just place a little bit on the wet paint. Going back to my Leanne Tropical Palette, this time I'm going to use the Leon's Purple Pixie. And I'm going to pick up the green for my leaves. I'm just going to place 3 leaves wherever I find an empty space. Next, I'm going to use my Global Blue and my liner brush. I'm going to do a little bit of outlining. First, we'll start with the butterfly. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of outlining on that tropical flower to define the leaves. This time I like a little bit of a wiggle to my petals. Next, can't forget those leaves. Go around in just a little stem. I think I missed a spot on that butterfly. I'm going to just go back and fill that in. And then add a few little stamen to my tropical flower. Now, to really brighten this design, I'm going to use my DFX white and my liner again. And I'm going to outline this whole design. Picking up my number 5 round brush and back to my DFX white, I'll load and add a few dots to my flower. And now to finish this design, I'm going to grab my Vivid UV Ignite glitter and my chapstick. Yes, chapstick. Chapstick is wonderful to adhere glitter, except when you get a little paint on that chapstick. Oops, you want to make sure the paint is dry. You want to place a chapstick on, and then you just tap on the glitter. It's a really cool trick that I learned from Marcelo Busante to add a little touch of glitter without messing up the paint. I hope you enjoyed this design. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Take care.